Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Buckhead, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of NeNe Leaks. This home is a gorgeous one-of-a-kind 3-story townhome, with interior elevator, and a private front yard. It has luxurious living in your private villa, with all the conveniences of the Waldorf Astoria Hotel. It comes with a chef's kitchen, fully equipped with state-of-the-art Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. It also has a grand quartzite kitchen island, marble backsplash, and spacious walk-in, custom built-in pantry, and wine tower. It's an open-concept living area, with a full-height stone fireplace. There is a wet bar area with an ice maker, bar sink, and refrigerator. The magnificent outdoor terrace is equipped with a Wolf gas grill, and plenty of room for a 12-person dining table. The expansive owner's suite has 2 owner closets, bar, refrigerator, and private laundry room. The owner's bathroom features marble flooring, soaking tub, and separate shower. The additional 3 bedrooms, or office space, second laundry room, and all baths feature marble floors, natural stone, and wall tiles. Massive private 6-car garage, and ample storage. NeNe enjoys all the services of the Waldorf Hotel, Bastka Restaurant, Waldorf Spa and Fitness included with the HOA. There is 24-hour concierge service, house account with hotel services, valet, security, and indoor pool. NeNe Leaks invested $25,000, with Harrison Designs for patio architectural design. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish taking a look inside.
Perfect.